Okay, so welcome back. Lumia Nodes have a huge partnership. That is one of the reasons why they're selling like crazy. Over 11,000 sold Lumia Nodes, almost 12,000 nodes sold, and this is above my expectation. Now, what is Lumia Nodes? Let's go and let's dig it up. And what is the partnership? So the partnership is they did a partnership with Linea, and Linea is the team who is behind, who is the team behind the MetaMask right here, and backed by powerhouse consensus brings Lumia real-world assets and liquidity layer to their 200 plus projects and 1 million plus users. So this is a huge partnership for Lumia, and that's why the nodes are not stopped to sell. Over almost 12,000 nodes sold. Well, the price already went up. It now is $1,090, so will be $1,100. If you want to buy the node is you just buy. You need to use Polygon chain. Make sure you use a ledger just to protect yourself. You have Arabi, you have $1,000, have some Matic. It's on Matic chain again. It's $1,090 right now. You use the code use the code FIL08 and you will see, and then you can buy the node. Now I sent a giveaway to these people just few days ago, and in the next 4 days I'm going to send again to few people $50 each as a thank you for using my code. And make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose, and watch the video more you give more you receive, because I'm the only YouTuber who is helping the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa. Okay, so that's a Lumia node. Lumia nodes are selling like crazy. Here you will see, you can do the calculation, 1,277% estimate yield. How real is this? I don't have the clue. So how this is working is, once you connect, make sure you use a VPN, because not always working. Use a VPN because it's helping you. If you need a VPN, I have a link down in the description from NordVPN. If you want to use it, great. If not, just get some VPN. Alright, so that's a Lumia node. They have a partnership pretty much all the time because that's how they're doing. You can go and you will see here, even they have in blockchain live in October. They're going to go there. They are everywhere. I'm not sure if I'm going to meet them in Singapore, to be honest. I'll be very happy. They're going to be core contributor. Media will be the biggest BitLife forum. Wow, that's crazy. I cannot go there, but I'm going to go for the token 2049 in Singapore. If you're there, let me know. By the way, if you need a discount code, let me know. I can send you some. All right, so that is Lumia Nodes. Check them up, see them, because they are doing amazing. How much tokens I earned so far? That's the biggest question. I earned 208 tokens. It's not a lot. This is with one node. When I go day number 1. If you buy the node today, you're going to get around 7 tokens per day. What is not a lot. If you compare the price of Orion, what Orion going to become Lumia in the near future, you're going to get around $10 per day in today price. Now, well, it's around 770. But if the price was here, usually it's around 150. So what's mean? Let's say around $10 on today. Again, this is a long investment because they're going to send you tokens for the next 10 years. But I will say the biggest tokens will be sent in the next 2 years. Is it worth it or not to get in now? Is it too late or not? I don't have a clue. There are many different ways to make more tokens, to earn more tokens. Like example, you can have referrals. You can have like you can go here and you can delegate your nodes and so on and so on. Many different ways to earn some tokens. But again, the best day was to get day number 1. When I mentioned this one many times, day number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's more nodes are sold, less tokens we get. But remember, if they do what they're saying they do, and if they continue with this great partnership, I don't be surprised if we see the token of the price of the token skyrocketing, and what will be amazing. Just imagine if this hit $10 and you're getting even 5 tokens per day. Even if you're getting 3 tokens per day and the price is $10, well, happy days for everybody. All right, that's the Lumia nodes. Go and check them out. If you have any question, leave me down in the comment section. Also, don't forget, I'm going to do giveaway in the next 4 or 5 days. I'm going to choose 5 people and I'm going to send you $50 each for everybody who uses my code. And also I'm going to do giveaway for everybody who leave a comments for the different videos. I'm going to choose lucky video with a lucky comment. Thank you so much. Again, don't put more money you can afford to lose. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.